750 taka, that means the answer of number A, then we can easily find the yearly income of Rahima. So again we can write, we know 1 year is equal to 12 months. So if we write here like this, from A we already got that she earns in a month. So in 1 month Rahima earns 3750 taka, right? So if we write in 12 months, she earns more. So we multiply 3750 times 12, because 12 months is more and we have to multiply it. Now you can do rough again. That means 3750 times 12, and then if we see 0, 5 2s are 10, in hand 1, 7 2s are 14, plus 1 15, in hand 1, 3 2s are 6, plus 1 7. Now 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 7 is 7, 1 times 3 is 3. So if we add 0 0 0 and then 1, then 5, and then 4, 3 plus 1 4, so it will be 45,000 taka. This is the answer of number B. Another way of doing this number is that if we say 1 year is equal to not 12 months, we can say 1 year is equal to 365 days. If you write 1 year is equal to 365 days, then you just can write like the first line we have done. In 1 day Rahima earns 125 taka, so in 365 days, because number 57. Uh, we have already finished page number 57 in 85. So 2 85s are 170. Then if we subtract 9 minus 0, it will be 9, and 12 minus 7, it will be 5. I hope you can do subtraction. And in hand 1 will be added here, and it will be 2. So 2 minus 2 will be 0. So no need to write 0. Now this 5 we can down here, put it down 5. So this is 595. Now 85, how many times equals to 595? So if we count 8, and if we just say the multiplication table of 8, like 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, so we can guess that 8 times 7 is 56. So it is very near to 595. So 85 times 7 can be our answer. So 85 times 7. So if we see 85 times 7, what happened? 5 times 7 is 35 in hand 3, and then 8 times 7 is 56 plus 3, 59. So it is already matched with 595. So 85 times 7 is 595. So this is the rough. So what is the money? What is the price of 1 kg rice? The price of 1 kg rice is 27 taka, which completes our question number A here. Now we move on to our next question, question number B. Question number B asks, you can see on the question B, what is the price of 20 kg rice? That means we already know what is the price of 1 kg rice from number A. Now we have to find what is the price of 20 kg rice from this price. So question number B, we can write here like this: uh, price of 1 kg rice is taka 27. Therefore, price of 20 kg rice is definitely, price of 20 kg will be more. So to make it more, we have to multiply by 20. Now if we multiply, what we get? We get that you can do rough here, 27 and 20. So 0 times 7 is 0, 0 times 2 is 0, and also cross here, 2 times 7 is 14, and 2 times 2 is 4, and in hand 1, so 5. If we add all these numbers, we will get 540 taka. So the price of 20 kg rice would be 540 taka. So which completes our question number B. And now we move on to our next question, question number C. Question number C asks, at taka 270, how much rice can we get? At taka 270, how much rice can we get? So how can we solve this question now? If we do question number C, so we can write here like this: 27 taka is the price of one rice, of 1 kg rice, right? From the question, from question number A, we can know that 1 kg rice is 27 taka. So 27 taka is the price of 1 kg rice. So therefore 270 taka is the price of 270 taka. Can we get 270 taka to buy 270 kg rice? No, we can buy less. So it will be division. So 270 divided by 27. So so by 270 taka, we can just divide. So we divide 270 by 27. So 27 ones are 27, and there is a 0. So we put this 0 here. The answer is 10. So our answer is 10 kg rice can be bought. So 10 kg rice can be bought from 270 taka. So which completes our question number C also. Now we have finished our 3 questions today. Now today no more question. Now it is time to give you some HW. So your HW will be CW is HW for the next class. And I hope you enjoyed the class a lot, and hopefully we will meet again in the next class. Until then, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.